Building Smart Management System. This is our project title for SEEI 4313 PLC and SCADA system design, and this is the list of the team members. It consists of Muhammad Afnan, Muhammad Faiz, Muhammad Nabil, and Sharifah Khairunisa. The design statement. Although we live in modern world, yet many buildings still rely on traditional like manually operated systems. This leads to several problems, including insufficient energy usage, poor occupant comfort, and difficulties in detecting and repairing equipment fault. The lack of smart building management system also limits the ability of building managers to collect and analyze data to optimize building performance and reduce energy consumption. As a result, there is a pressing need to implement PLC-based smart building management system in building to address this issue and ensure optimal building performance. The architecture of the system sketch, which we have the fire detection, temperature, and the security, will also consist of power supply into the PLC unit. The output would be the AC and fan load, the light, alarm system, and the programming to SCADA. In the building management system, we will have the ID profile for security, fire alarm, lamp, and air conditioner. The sensor circuit. So for the 20-volt DC circuit, we have the emergency button, push button, occupancy sensor, temperature sensor, heat sensor, and FD. For the output at 0 volt, we also have the GL green light, red light, buzzer, sprinkler, and L1, L2, L3 is the lamp. Next, we will show the ladder diagram. This is our ladder diagram. First, we have the input for the first step is show ID and IR1, and the logout button is normally closed, which will make the output of IR1. The IR1 will give electrics to the light and to the air conditioner. The active button, PV1, will be normally open and the stop fire will be normally closed, which will have the output of alarm green light. Next, the alarm green light is normally open, and then we have the heat sensor, smoke detector, and fire detector. We also have a stop fire button, which is normally closed, and have the alarm red light. When the alarm red light is normally open, we also have the smoke detector and heat sensor, or smoke detector and fire detector, and also heat sensor and fire detector, and smoke detector, heat sensor, and fire detector, which have also stop fire normally closed, which will on the buzzer. Next, the buzzer will have timer, which is the initial value is 10, and also the timer for the buzzer of how long it will start up. Next, when the buzzer is on, and the smoke detector is on, and the heat sensor is on, and the fire detector is on, the sprinkler will activated, and the stop fire is normally closed. Next, we proceed to the light, which is we have IR light and the infrared for the infrared sensor for the occupancy, which relates to open in IRL1, which is the lamp 1. The lamp 1 will also have a timer. When the lamp 1 is open, the lamp 2 will also open. And when the infrared sensor 2 is on, it will light up the light 3 and we have a timer. So when we have the light 3 and the lamp 2, it will on the lamp 3, and when the lamp 1 and lamp 2 is on, it will light on the lamp 2. Next is for the air conditioner, which is we have auto and manual, and this is the button for our air conditioner, which is on the manual, and when the auto manual is normally closed, for the air conditioner it will becomes auto. For the manual button, we have the contactor manual, which connect with the timer, and we also have the temperature monitor. The off delay timer button will be normally open to have the contactor compressor, and the IR manual button for the compressor, which is also related with IR auto and the temperature monitor, have timer to start the compressor timer. And start compressor will start the compressor. Last is the temperature monitor, have a stop button and also to off the delay timer, and will output the indicator lamp, which is all related have timer. And that's all for the ladder diagram. So this is the interface for our SCADA system and design. So we start with the login button. The login button will give electric to lamp and the air conditioner. Next we start with the infrared sensor 1. And after the infrared sensor 1 scan, it will have lamp 1 and lamp 2 to turn on. Next the infrared sensor 2 is on, and it will light up the lamp 3. So next we move to the active button for green light. So the alarm is always on green light. And next, if we activate the heat sensor, the electricity will cut off and the alarm red light will on. And if we press the smoke detector, the buzzer will start to ringing. And lastly, if the fire detector scan, the water sprinkle will be on. And last, if we press the emergency button, it will cut off all. And next is the auto air manual for the air conditioner. So when we press, we can have the manual contactor and the manual compressor. That's all.